Hello, hi my dear students of 5th class. In before Zoom meeting, I have completed the explanation of parts of speech. What are the parts of speech? We have 8 kinds of parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, determiners, conjunction. I have explained everything, and I have given notes through photos. I have sent you all these 8 kinds of parts of speech. I have sent you photos, so you just read them. You just don't write anywhere. You just read them and understand what are parts of speech. Okay, and next, here we have nouns. The second lesson is nouns. Here nouns are divided into two. Here these nouns are divided into two: common nouns and proper nouns. Nouns is a topic, and these nouns we have subtopics: common nouns and proper nouns. And these common nouns are also divided into two: proper nouns. What are common nouns and what are proper nouns? Common nouns means, so what are common nouns? We use common nouns to name a person, place, an animal or thing in a general sense. We use common nouns to name a person, place, an animal or thing, any noun in a general sense. In a general sense means common nouns: boy, girl, dog, park, school, color, etc. And remember one thing: common nouns do not start with a capital letter. Whenever you are going to write a common noun, you should not start the word with a capital letter. And whatever you have to remember is, whenever the sentence starts with a common noun, you can use capital letter. But in the middle of the sentence, when you got common noun, you should not use capital letter. Okay, we use common nouns to name a person, place, an animal or thing in a general sense. Generally we call them with the same name: boy, girl. I can use any name. Here, boy, I can call any boy as boy. Girl, any girl is girl. Dog, any dog as park, any park as. But when I used to call Vijay, Vijay is a particular name of a boy. Yes, Vijay is a boy. But here, Vijay is a particular name of a boy. I cannot call Vijay as Vinay. I cannot call Vinay as Nani. Okay, they have their particular names. But I can call Vijay, Vinay, Raju, all of them a boy. Yes. So here, boy is a common noun and Vijay is a proper noun. Here, proper noun means we use proper nouns to name a particular person, place, or idea. We use proper nouns to name a particular person, place, or idea. Here I am talking about a particular person: Vijay. Vijay is my friend. Rani is my sister. Tommy is my pet dog. Okay, proper nouns begins with a capital letter. You should remember, wherever you got the proper noun, you should use capital letter for the first letter. Okay, even in the middle of the sentence also, if you got the proper noun, you should use capital letter for the first letter in the word. Okay, so these are proper nouns and common nouns. Next, you hear we don't have any subkinds for proper nouns, but we have two kinds in common nouns. Common nouns are divided into two. In these common nouns, how they are divided? Countable nouns, uncountable nouns. Proper means only one. It could not be like countable and uncountable. Okay, so for example, boy is a common noun. Vijay is a proper noun. I can say boy, one boy, two boy, three boys, like I can count. Yes, and can I count Vijay? One Vijay, two Vijay, like? No. Boy, boys, we can count. So here common nouns are divided into two: countable nouns and uncountable nouns. The countable nouns means the nouns which we can count. The nouns which we can count are called countable nouns and uncountable nouns. What are uncountable nouns? Which we cannot count. Which we cannot count means count చేయగలిగేటువంటి nouns ని countable అంటాం. Which we cannot be counted. Those are called uncountable nouns. And here these countable nouns have two kinds and uncountable nouns also have two kinds. Here you see what are the countable nouns kinds. Countable nouns are divided into two. What are those? Concrete nouns and a few abstract nouns. Here concrete nouns. What are concrete nouns? The things which we can see, which we can touch, those are called concrete nouns. For example, baby, we can see, we can touch, we can play with the baby. Tiger, an animal, we can see, we can touch. Table, we can see and we can touch. They are exist. So here book, I can touch, I can read, I can write. Yes. So these are concrete nouns. Okay, solids. A few abstract nouns. Difficulty, idea, these are also countable nouns. So we can say I have one idea, I have two ideas, like that. It is little difficult, it is so difficulty. So like that, a few abstract nouns are also belongs to countable nouns. A few abstract nouns are also countable nouns. What is abstract noun? What is an abstract noun? Abstract nouns means nothing but names of things that are not concrete. Concrete ante enti? Which we can touch and which we can see. Here abstract nouns means nothing but we cannot see, we cannot hear, we cannot touch, or we cannot taste or smell also. They are simply feelings, qualities, states, concepts or ideas or some actions. Okay. What are abstract nouns? The names which we cannot see, hear, touch, taste or smell. Those are called abstract nouns. What are they? What are those abstract nouns? Nothing but qualities, feelings, states, concepts or ideas or actions. Here you see what are the qualities? The qualities of a person. Beauty, honesty, bravery, these all belongs to quality. Here they name qualities, feelings, states, concepts or ideas or actions. Here not states means not Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, those states. Okay. Here you see feeling. What is the feeling? Sadness, cheerfulness, anger, happy. Okay, these are all the feelings we have. Okay. Hungry, thirsty, these are all the feelings only. No, can we touch the feeling? We feel it. When we are happy, can we see? We can see the facial expressions when you are happy, but we cannot see the happiness. Yes. So we cannot see sadness. Okay. We can see when they are crying or when they are sitting lonely and dull. We can feel, but we cannot touch sadness. Okay, that is not a thing to touch, to see. Okay, so that is feelings. State means state of being. Childhood, friendship, adulthood. Okay, these are all state. Action, thought, flight, behavior. Here thought, when you are thinking